Hi everyone, it's Mari here for the Paper and Ink Boutique. I have a brand new class that I'm going to be teaching on December the 10th from 6 to 8 p.m. Mountain Time. This is a virtual class. It is going to be taught on Zoom, and I'm going to be creating a single page layout and a double page layout using Simple Stories Flannel Season. You can just see I'm doing a little bit of subtle mixed media on the single page layout using a stencil from Paper Artsy and a stamp from Tim Holtz. You can absolutely use any products that you have in your stash. You do not have to use Flannel Season. You can use any paper collection that you choose. And on the Paper and Ink Boutique website, there's a listing of the products that I used. So you can just go into your stash and choose whatever papers, cardstocks, pattern paper, etc., ephemera embellishments that you would like to create your projects for this class. So this is the double page layout that you can see here on my desk, and I just had so much fun creating. I wanted to teach a class where we can just sit and visit and chat about scrapbooking and scrapbooking design. We can talk about paper selections, color, and memory keeping in general. And I'm just really, really excited about this class. I think it's going to be so much fun. It's going to be very laid back, very relaxed, and I just can't wait to spend a couple of hours with you on December the 10th. So if you're interested in the class, I have linked up in the description box below to the class. So you can click that link and it will take you to the Paper and Ink Boutique website where Nancy has listed out all of the details for the class. And the class is $25 Canadian plus GST. And so very inexpensive, and you can just do some stash busting if you choose. You can also go to the Paper and Ink Boutique online shop or in store in person and take a look at the products that they have for scrapbooking there if you'd like to pick up the same products I'm using or some other collection. I'm also going to be including instruction for a bonus layout. I'm going to give you a little sneaky peek of a corner of that layout here in a few seconds. The bonus layout uses Simple Stories Hard Candy Christmas, but once again, you can use any products that you have in your stash, and you could also go do a little bit of shopping at the store. Friends, I can't wait to meet up with you on December 10th for a fun memory keeping class. I hope you can join me, and I hope to see you there. Have an amazing day, friends. Stay well, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.